Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Oh dear, so sticky. Oh dear, look at that guys. Amazing.
Amaze.
Oh, so now you can see it guys. It's mobile.
Yeah, it's a non-smart mobile for
What's that?
older people like me.
So what's that it means?
It's not a smart mobile, there's no internet.
No internet. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
only
just to make calls and texts and that's it.
So no camera.
There is, but it's probably very poor quality.
Okay.
And it's only 2G.
2G.
And since most of the networks are stopping 2G, some may already have stopped, but we are on O2, so it should work with O2 for a while.
See, look at that guys. Qubo.
Unknown brand.
So it's a flip mobile.
Yeah, you can flip it open.
So and this is the charger.
Charging.
Charger and this
Instructions.
And more instructions. Okay. So there.
You can flip it open.
Okay, I flip it open. So why this is separate from here? So you just can connect it in.
Connect it, yeah.
So this is flip open, and look at that, guys.
I'll put a SIM card in it and then charge it if it needs charging a bit, and we'll continue.
So it will charge first. So look at this, guys. All the letterings, all the numbers
Bigger,
are bigger.
which is easier for me.
So you can see it well.
Yeah, because the other one I got, the Samsung, is tiny. The thing is, and when you press something, something else gets pressed.
And also the screen is bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, screen is a tiny bit bigger as well.
Yeah. And then there's a camera thing as well.
Yeah.
So there is a camera, but then there
really
is no
important.
internet. So it's just calling and snapping.
It's just to make telephone calls
Oh, so
and
just
text, is it?
So is this the old style?
Yeah.
So are we going to take this off?
No, leave it on. I don't like taking things off.
Yeah, this plastic. So
that protects it.
It protects the screen. So there is still a plastic covering here.
Yeah, leave it on.
Yeah. So it's nice. I like it because it's so big.
Yeah.
I can see it without glasses.
That's for me anyway.
Yeah, I know that's for you.
Smartphones.
So okay, guys.
I don't like anything that's touchscreen because it doesn't work for me. Touchscreen.
I know. So this is.
I'll put the SIM card in it and then charge it when it's charging a bit, and we'll continue.
All right. Okay. So we'll charge it first, guys. Okay. So. Okay, guys. So this is already charged, and then we have to turn it on. Press this.
I put the SIM card in it.
So scary.
Yeah, and you can't change the tones or anything, the ringtone or any of the tones.
God.
Doesn't give you any choice.
Yeah,
but
so
it's only cheap. It was only £25. So what do you expect? As long as it works.
Already thing there, guys. So, and the writings are
even
bigger
though
as
it
well.
says insert SIM, the SIM is already in it.
Oh.
And it does work. I have tried it. So,
so today is June 2nd.
So
10:47
this is
a.m.
only recommended for people who don't want the smartphone and who are on the O2, because I think most other networks are stopping, if they haven't already stopped, using the
Really?
2G.
And
They are
then
on
it
3G,
also,
4G, and even 5G. This only works on 2G.
only works on two. Oh my god.
The old system.
So when you close it, there is a sound, and then
Yeah.
when you open,
And when you switch it on, there's very loud
it's very
noise.
loud as well. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's okay, as long as
So
it
it's
works.
good.
That's the main thing.
This is definitely for elderly because their hearing is a tiny bit
It's for
reduced, so
old
they can,
growths like me.
yeah, so they can hear it well. So that's nice. Anyway, that's for you, darling. So,
Yes.
so this unboxing, guys, is for my husband. So, yes, all
cheap,
right.
cheap and cheerful.
Cheap and careful.
£25. It works. What's it?
And it's also cheap. Cheap. Light.
Fairly light.
Yeah,
It's not as
fairly
light
light.
as the Samsung.
So
But
it's
I've
very
got no
nice. It's
problem with the Samsung one. It's the buttons are too small. When
yeah.
I'm pressing it, sometimes something else gets pressed.
Mm,
And if you're trying to pay bills and all that, it
yeah.
just doesn't work. They don't give you enough time if you make mistakes.
Yeah, that's right. So that's why you like it. This one,
Yeah.
simple,
Simple,
simplicity.
and the buttons are bigger.
Yeah. So you're
That's it.
happy with this?
Yeah,
Yeah. So that's good. And also you like
as
the
long as it
color.
works.
This is your color.
Yes.
Alright. So there's other colors in there,
Yeah,
but
they
this
do blue
is,
and they do
yeah,
black as
but
well.
this is a nice color among the three.
Yes.
So there's three colors available there, but this is the nicest. So that is the mobile. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, alright. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this mobile and see you in our next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.